Alright. We have already started the round. You're looking creepy there. Okay, so I gotta film. One pin.
One sting.
I forgot how the pound goes. Oh, there it goes. Where's the ball? Oh, here it is. Oh wait, I forgot. It was a spare. Alright, so I gotta follow the ball.
Here we go.
Okay.
Just keep the camera
So I just gotta watch the ball.
on the pins.
Keep your eye on the ball. Oh.
2 pins.
That's not bad. I'm just gonna film for myself because I don't feel like you would film it that good. Okay.
Alright, now you want me to hold it while you go? Alright.
You would be that kind to film.
Let's see what you got.
Alright, let's go.
Oh. Gutter ball.
That was really nothing.
I thought you had at least something, but I don't remember.
1 pin.
This is the hardest thing of all. At least I got a 1 pin spare.
Alright. I guess it's my turn.
Yeah, now it's my turn to film.
Alright, here we go. Oh, gutter ball.
Pick it up with the camera.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah,
baby.
Oh yeah, that was easy. It was easily the easiest thing you could have done. Now it's your turn to film. Would you be so kind to film, sir?
No problem. It's all to the winner.
Here's the camera.
All right. Tyson Williams sets up. He rolls it down the lane and gutter ball. And for his second roll. Hit it down the lane and
Ooh!
5 pins.
That would have been harder than I thought.
So it'll make your throat hurt. Like, it's actual, like,
Alright, your turn.
scratchy.
Alright, see what you got.
Here we
See
go.
what you got.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh!
4 pins.